Welcome back to Troy's Garage. My name's Troy. This is my garage. In today's project, we're working on a Toyota Corolla. We're replacing the headlight assemblies. They've become so faded, and I've treated those several times with different things, from Meguiar's headlight cleanser or whatever. I've used some of the tricks. They just don't last. So in this video, I'm replacing those with Auxito Headlight Assemblies. I'll leave a link down below to that. They're a supporter of the channel. They've been a good partner of mine for quite some time. They've provided these headlight assemblies for me for free, full disclosure. They are available on Amazon or directly from their website. I'll leave a link to both of those down below. Either of those links helps my channel and support me in what I do. The total time to do this entire thing, including taking the bumper off, was about 35 minutes. I don't show the removal of the bumper in this video. There's other videos out there that show that very well. I'll find a good one and put a link down below if you need that. It's like 6 bolts and the thing comes right off. So I left the video clip of me putting the headlight assembly back in its full length. It was 3 minutes and 14 seconds long. I trimmed a little off the end and a little off the front, and it's about 3 minutes long. And I'll just leave that full length. I'm just going to play some music, let you guys watch this happen, and check the links down below for ways to support the channel. Really appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next video.